So again, I said about 3 minutes there. It's all about live there. 2 or 3 minutes. Then we take again the BP just then stop. You are there. Then jacks BP. So see the difference. Again, see the difference. That's it. Again, I repeat. All the sports don't have like this, lah. Again, it really hurts. That's why here again. So check, yeah, this is for you, Mr. Richard Branson, by which I name it to the daughter of my brother, now staying in your country at the Bushi Heat. Yeah. Again, thank you sa kong brother do. Kaya itawag siya sa kong mom ganyan. It's the birthday of my mom, no? Yes, si Arwin Gale. Itawag yung way. I name it to Arwin. There you are. So again, there. So again, 164.69. 164.69. Jacks. Last time Jacks is 90 plus, right? Again, that's the big difference. That's why spray caution. That's why they called magic bike. No, it's not magic bike. It's a fast test. Thank you.